Living in Mesa, Arizona, means enjoying plenty of sunshine throughout the year. But it also means dealing with extremely hot summers, intense UV exposure, and rising energy costs. For many homeowners, improving energy efficiency is a top priority, and one of the most effective upgrades is installing bow windows. These elegant, curved window structures not only enhance your home's curb appeal but also offer significant energy-saving benefits that are perfectly suited for Mesa's desert climate. Natural light without excess heat. Mesa's abundant daylight can brighten your home beautifully, but too much direct sunlight can quickly raise indoor temperatures. Bow windows are designed with multiple panels that curve outward, allowing sunlight to enter from different angles. When paired with energy-efficient glass, they deliver abundant illumination without the unwanted heat gain. This means you can enjoy a sun-filled living space while keeping your air conditioner from working overtime. Modern bow window systems often include low emissivity coatings, which reflect solar heat while letting in natural light. This dramatically reduces indoor temperature spikes, especially during peak summer months. Better airflow and cross-ventilation. One of the biggest advantages of bow windows is versatility. Each panel can be configured as a casement or double-hung window, giving Mesa homeowners the ability to improve ventilation strategically. By opening the operable sections only when desired, you can capture cool evening breezes or release warm indoor air efficiently. Improved airflow not only helps your home stay comfortable naturally but also reduces your reliance on air conditioning, one of the biggest contributors to energy bills in the Phoenix metro area. Insulated window frames for superior comfort in a desert climate like Mesa's. Insulation is everything. Many bow window designs feature insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames, which offer exceptional thermal performance. These materials resist heat transfer far better than traditional aluminum frames commonly found in older homes. By limiting the amount of outside heat that enters your home, insulated frames help keep your indoor temperatures more stable. That means your HVAC system cycles less frequently, which leads to noticeable energy savings over time. Multiple glass panels for enhanced efficiency. Unlike a single picture window, bow windows consist of 4, 5, or even 6 individual panels. This multi-panel design creates a gentle curve that adds depth while also helping block heat. Because each panel can include advanced energy-efficient glass, argon gas fills, and tight sealing technology, the combined structure provides greater insulation than standard flat windows. Mesa's hot climate makes argon-filled double or triple pane glass especially valuable. The dense gas inside the insulated glass unit slows the transfer of heat, helping keep your home cooler during scorching afternoons and warmer during chilly desert nights. Reduced UV exposure inside your home. Sun fading is a common problem in Arizona, where UV rays can damage flooring, furniture, and decor. Bow windows equipped with low-E coatings and tinted glass options significantly reduce UV penetration. That means your home stays comfortable while your belongings stay protected from sun damage. This level of UV control is especially beneficial for south and west-facing rooms, which receive the strongest sunlight throughout the day. A long-term investment in efficiency and value. Installing bow windows is not just a cosmetic improvement, it's an investment in long-term energy efficiency. Homebuyers in Mesa increasingly look for upgrades that lower cooling costs and improve indoor comfort. A beautifully installed bow window enhances your home's architecture, increases natural light, and boosts energy performance all at once. Interested in upgrading to bow windows in Mesa? If you're looking to elevate your home's comfort, reduce energy bills, and enjoy stunning panoramic views, bow windows are a smart choice for Mesa's unique climate. When you select high-quality materials and professional installation, you'll feel the difference every month, even in the peak of summer.